Just look at yourself right now. You are not lazy. You are not undisciplined. You are dopamine addicted. Phone, porn, endless scrolling. They have rewired your brain to choose comfort over power, and that's the exact reason why you feel distracted, drained, and stuck. You clicked on this video not by mistake. You clicked on this video because deep down you know you're living in the same hell I once was. Every single time you swear, this is the last time, and the very next day you break it again. And slowly, piece by piece, you start losing yourself. Because when you are losing a battle against your own mind, it does not just make you feel weak, it makes you feel completely empty. Nobody taught you this, so listen carefully. You don't have a discipline problem, you have a hijacked brain. And if you do not reclaim it today, your future will look exactly like your past. And in the next few minutes, I am handing you the exact system to take back control of your mind, your energy, and your life. So watch this video till the end, because this might be the moment you stop drowning and start becoming unstoppable. 1. Dopamine detox. Every 10 minutes, you reach for your phone. Reels, stories, random scrolling, over and over without even thinking. Your brain is not just distracted, it is completely overstimulated and hijacked. Until you fix your dopamine system, lust will keep controlling you like a puppet. For the next 7 days, no binge scrolling, no social media, no entertainment overdose, only work, books, and silence. Your neurons need to feel boredom again, so normal stimulation becomes powerful. This is not a detox program. This is war against the version of you that keeps surrendering. 2. Visual control. What you feed your eyes, you eventually become. If your feed is filled with bikini models, suggestive content, and explicit thumbnails, you're programming yourself to fail every single day. Unfollow every account that triggers you, clean your Instagram like your future depends on it, clear your watch history, block every website that pull you back. Your brain functions like a hard drive. If you put garbage in, you'll get garbage out. For 7 days, consume only educational and self-improvement content, and watch how your urges start to fade on their own. 3. Physical exhaustion. Exhaust your body until it has nothing left. When energy stays unused, lust takes over. The solution? Heavy workout in the morning, sports, running, or physical activity in the evening. Train your body so much until it has nothing left to think dirty. Channel your testosterone into the gym, not the bed. 4. Urge replacement. Fighting an urge is hard, but replacing it is easy. The moment it hits, freezing cold water on your face, without pause, 20 push-ups, walk out the door, reach out and call somebody. Anything that rips your body away from that moment completely. An urge is a wave. It rises, it peaks. Sit through 10 to 15 minutes and it destroys itself. But if you sit with it, grab the phone to scroll, or tell yourself just one small look, everything is already finished. Don't see urges as your enemies. See them as signals. They are telling you that raw energy is sitting inside you. Now channel it somewhere else. The choice is yours. 5. Anti-boredom system. An empty mind is lust's favorite address. Most relapses are not caused by overwhelming urges. They are caused by boredom. You are alone. Nothing is happening. And suddenly, the thought appears from nowhere. That is not weakness. That is an unguarded mind with nowhere to be. This is why the anti-boredom plan must exist before the moment arrives. Reading list ready. A skill you have been avoiding. A side hustle demanding your attention. When boredom strikes, your next move is already decided. An idle mind is lust's playground. An occupied mind is discipline's battlefield. Stop leaving the door open. Stop handing the enemy a comfortable home inside your own head. Stay busy with purpose, or boredom will keep choosing for you. So ask yourself right now, who are you really? If your answer is someone who loses to his urges, then you will keep losing. But the moment you decide, I am the man who controls my body and mind, everything changes. Self-control is not a superpower. It is the foundation of everything you want to build. If you can't control yourself, the world will control you. Lust does not expose your weakness. It reveals who you actually are right now. So make the decision right now. Who are you going to be? And if you're ready to become the man you were meant to be, drop a comment, I am ready. And if this hit you, like this video and subscribe to the Inspiring Zone, and let's build together.